Guys, it is cold outside. It is cold outside. Guys, it is cold outside. It is cold outside. This is why I say I'm not texturizing my hair yet. Not yet, guys. It'll be for nothing. I'll be just wearing it like this. Watch this. Y'all see my baby? My baby covered in snow. My little baby is covered in snow. So I got a few more runs to make, and I'm gonna make it home. But y'all already know that because it's cold outside, we wrap our hair up, we just put our hair away, we ready to pull the trigger when it's time to do something to our hair, right? No matter what it's gonna be. We are waiting to pull the trigger on when it's time to get this hair popping. So right now, guys, as you see, I'm just letting my hair grow, letting it get strong. We already know what we're doing with our concoctions, right? Y'all already know our concoctions, right? Y'all know what this is, right? For a matter of fact, let me fill this up. Y'all already know what this is. And if you don't know, go back and look at the natural ways to grow your hair. Okay, so we're filling that up. I told you guys that I have a gang of this downstairs. There's so much of this stuff downstairs. So I'm going to tell you like this. 1 part of apple cider vinegar, 10 parts water. Okay? So guys, I just filled it back up because I have a gang of this downstairs and everything. So that is full, but I'm not using that tonight. I'm not using that tonight. All right, guys, so because it's so cold outside, I have been really focusing on our hair growth, the condition of our hair, our scalp, and things of that nature, because we're not doing anything to our hair. It doesn't make any sense. Guys, it is cold outside. The only thing that I have been doing to my hair is, let me show you. And then I bend over and do the same thing. Yep, bend over, tap your head, because we are promoting circulation and blood flow, okay? So, okay, that's enough of that. So guys, y'all know a minute ago that I had went out and I had seen a vanity set, right? I seen a vanity set. I thought it was just the prettiest thing I had ever seen, but I left it. I did not get it. But since then, I have been going back visiting that vanity set because I want to be sure, because it's such a big piece of furniture. I don't know if y'all was able to see the scale of that thing when I was showing it to you guys, but it's quite big. But what I really want to do, guys, what I really want to do, let me show you. This is what I want to do. This is my steam machine, guys. I ain't gonna go off into, promoting it and everything. I'm not getting paid for that. I'm not gonna get off and promoting it and everything like this, but this is a portable sauna steam machine. And I want it in this room because when I finish working out, I can jump right into this thing. And the way that I want to jump in this thing is different from how everybody else would jump into it, because y'all know I'm different. All right, let me show you. So when I'm working out and everything in this room, oh, I got so much stuff to show you guys. I would love to have this on. I would love to unzip it. And guys, I will have me a swimming suit on, naked, or some underwear on. I'm gonna sit all the way down into this thing. All right, guys, make sure that you consult with a doctor before purchasing this machine and sitting in it. Now, you just seen my hand sticking out the top hole of this machine, and that's where your head go, but I love to cover that part with a towel so that all the steam will stay in. Here you are going to see a list of benefits that this machine delivers for me. Now, it does reduce stress. It is good for your skin health, your immune system. It burns calories. It loosens joints. It improves circulation. And I do get good sleep after using this machine. Now, guys, it does a whole bunch of other things, but I'm just telling you right now, I am not a physician. This is something that I did for me. So, disclaimer, make sure this is something that you want to do for you and that is safe for you if you're thinking about purchasing this machine. And guys, when I be telling you guys that I want to steam my whole body, exfoliate my whole body, and get steam from my follicles, my scalp, my hair, my whole body. Guys, I can do a manicure in here. I can do a pedicure in here. I can take a pumice brick and just go over my whole body. When this is not in this room, the room is prettier. I have some decisions to make because I have a little desk over here that I'm thinking about taking out of here. So guys, the next day I got up and I took that mirror off my wall and I started taking this desk loose because you know what? If I was thinking about taking it loose, I knew I was going to end up doing it anyway because I don't want to, just settle. I want this room to be exactly what I want it to be. So yeah, I went on and took this desk loose and took it out the house, that and the mirror. You guys already know that we went and bought the collapsible heating foot massager. Do y'all remember when I got this collapsible heating foot massager? Now I got this from Team, you guys. This thing's, it collapses and it folds back down. Look at that. This right here is a little pumice brick that you can get all the dead skin off your feet. These are the massagers, but this thing plugs up. Here's the switch, because when you turn it on, guys, it vibrates, it bubbles up, and it heats up. So I work out here, guys, and like I said, if I want, I can have this steaming up after I work out. I can have this steaming up. I can have this sitting up somewhere pretty and get ready to just do my, pedicures and things like that. And I just really want this to be my woman cave, spa cave. Okay, so that is one of the reasons why I did not go ahead and buy that vanity set, guys. This is ugly. This is ugly. It's big. Well, I have a spot to put it, but when it's not in here, I like it better when it's not in here, but I know because I'm going to be on a weight loss journey and I am really just, this is a relaxing machine as well. Taking it loose and reassembling it is a lot. Now, I can put it in a different room, but the reason why I won't put it in a different room is because of this. So I know for a fact that I want my machine up here, guys. I do. I have been trying to leave it downstairs, but if y'all see that little jerk right there, if I turn my back, he gonna chew it up. How about that? If I turn my back, he is going to chew it up. No doubt. My dog will chew this thing to smithereens. He's waiting to get his little baby teeth on this thing. He is waiting because I have a perfect area in the basement for it, but my dog, baby, he's gonna eat that up. So guys, pretty much that is it. I'm gonna try to get in this thing, tonight, so you'll see. All right, guys, so I'm setting the light ambiance for the room. I got the nice, spa music going on the television. And the other day I bought this. So I have already cleansed my face. I am not going to wash my hair because I just washed it the other day and put a rinse on there. Y'all know that. Ride with me. Don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and I need love. Do y'all hear the spa going? Y'all hear it? It's hot. I'm going to sit in it, and I am going to, then after I sit in it for like 30 minutes, then I'm going to sit all the way in it. Now, instead of a pumice brick, I'm just going to use this exfoliating glove today. And as the dead skin on my body, you know, soften up, I would just go in circles and just rub it off. Just go in circles and rub it off. And then the rest of it will come off in my bubble bath that I have waiting for me when I come out of here. So guys, I know y'all can hear that. Listen. Be sitting in this sucker, and when I get out of this, guys, I am going to go and get in a tub and soak in a tub, and guys, I'm gonna sleep good. I have my tea sitting already ready, my sleepy time tea, and it's just sitting, so all of the ingredients can get just really good into the tea. Guys, I did something similar like this last night. I fell asleep so quick and I rested so well. So yeah, that is the reason why I don't want to take this machine apart. I would rather just be able to come in here every other day and just sit and steam. Just sit and steam, guys. As you see, right here, I have everything set up right here, guys. I got my towel, I got my ice, I got my remote control. I don't want to let y'all hear the music that I'm playing because, you know the reason why. And guys, it just feels good. I want these lights on. This feels so good. This feels so good. Well, guys, that is about it. I hope you are finding a way to find your happiness, guys, to let go of stress, and just do you. Just do you. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video, guys. Woo! Thanks for hanging out with me. Y'all know already that I appreciate you guys. Y'all are the reason why my channel is growing. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, be happy. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye. This feels so good.